Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, May 28th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWMN, triple Qs. Last day of the trading month, the bulls in SPY and ES have relentlessly attacked those single prints from May 10th. Right now, in the pre-market, they filled them. That doesn't count. We're attempting to gap higher in both SPY and the Russell. Remember, Russell acted very strong yesterday. They're continuing that. They went out with a price probe as they are now looking to get that 228 level. Was huge. Remember, they're in a tremendous long weekly balance. They got above it once by about $3 only to fail. So they need to get above that 228.10 level to start getting legs back up. Triple Qs right now at the top of their range with higher value. SPY and ES, possible gap higher, looking to fill those single prints from May 10th, looking to get acceptance into that upper distribution. If they do, their next stop is the weekly high and then the monthly and all-time high. But it's been a major hurdle for them to overcome. Remember, last night, shorts got absolutely annihilated. We said from late night through J, K, L, and M, shorts were pushing and they were getting absorbed tremendously. And then they finally got flushed as they covered. They attempted one more time late in M, only to have N take it right back up. Look where N period traded. It's amazing. And now we're getting a continuation of whoever's short still covering and new blood coming in to the game. So destinations right now. So we still have 75 minutes. I'm going to give the upside on both sides of the equation. So we used, F's high of 420.43, afternoon rally high. If we open it above it, that's off the page. Then we have 420.72, yesterday's high. Those single prints, 420.73, get filled at 421.03. Overnight high of 421.43. And then that weekly high of 422.74. For the downside, if we gap higher, we use yesterday's high of 420.72. And then the downside, we don't have anything until 419.15, which is my overnight low, and then yesterday's low of 419.12. Remember, SPY was only 8 wide. Triple Q, ES got 9 wide. And then below that, we never got to that 10 wide POC from the 26th to 418.79 and 418.44 afternoon pullback low. So game plan for this morning. Well, if we gap between 20 and 50 cents, I'll be looking to take a call play. If the gap fills, I'd be out. It depends on if I want to be out when the gap fills or what happens at value high, right? Once again, value is going to be important. Look how important value was yesterday. It stayed higher all day. Look at this attempt. I mean, they weren't down here one time frame or two. They were down here for 4 or 5. They attempted, never lowered value. So that's why that's so important to me. So if I take a long and the gap fills, I'd probably still hold on to the long until either value high or we get back below acceptance below F's high. So that's a call play. Put play, again, we'll see if they front run the overnight. If they finally fill the single prints and then front run the overnight, you can take a short against that just to see it back off. But any acceptance into C's range from May 10th, and then there's nothing really to stop the bulls from grinding up. Remember, it is the end of the month. So each side continues to have major opportunities. I mean, sellers, buyers. I mean, look at yesterday. We got the daily high, couldn't get the singles. Then sellers had an opportunity to push down into the 26 range, couldn't do it. So now it's back in the bulls' hands to take control. And then on the charts, again, I will go over everything tonight, break down all 3 of these indices from top down. I'll just show you the SPY for now. Weekly, inside week up. All 3 of us have inside weeks up. So that's healthy, but we're still in balance. For the SPY to come out of balance to the upside, we need to take out the all-time high and get acceptance above it. We're about $2 away from that. The daily is one time framing up for 6 days. Again, you'd like to come above these past 3 days and start getting more distance away from them, which will enable you to go get the all-time high. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap the day, the week, and the month at 4 p.m.